Hello lovely ladies and welcome back. Today I wanted to talk to you about supporting your detox pathways and one in particular, and this is your lymph system. I'm sure you guys have heard about this, but this is a system that runs parallel to your whole cardiovascular system. So it's also a system with fluids in there, but it's filled with lymph and not with blood. And this system is responsible for carrying everything that is excreted by your cells and everything to come back into your circulation of your blood. So your blood carries stuff to all your cells, then it goes into your tissues, and out of the tissues, it doesn't go back into your blood, it goes back into your lymph system, and your lymph system then kind of brings it back through certain points into your blood system. Okay? Now, the key thing to understand here is that your lymph system doesn't have a pump. So it doesn't have a pump like your blood. You have a heart that pumps the blood. Lymph doesn't have that. Your lymph depends on your muscle movement. And that's why it's so important to regularly move. And that's why walking is so very good, because then you move all your muscles and your lymph is pumped. Now we can also support it in other ways. One of them is dry brushing. So you have a little brush and you just brush in the direction towards your heart, because your lymph has to go to the center of your body where there is different points, nodes where it comes in. So also your legs, for example, if you have very swollen legs, the lymph, gravity pulls it down. And if your system is not really working very well, you're not moving a lot, then it kind of sits there. So it can help to then brush from your feet up towards your heart or to your torso, but also to put your legs up against the wall, like that, for 10 to 5 minutes, so everything can come down. And another thing is saunas. It's really good, so sweating in general, getting your fluids going. And a key thing, and we've spoken about this, is hydration. You need to be properly hydrated for your lymph to have enough fluid to flow properly. Okay. Also rebounder, jumping up and down, or vibration plates, anything that shakes up the fluids and stuff and moves your muscles and pumps it to the points where it needs to go. I hope that makes sense, and I think it is a very powerful tool to stimulate this, especially in the festive season where we have a lot of detoxing to be done. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye-bye.